Going to be a reading for the sign of Libra. All that you need to know about your person moving forward. So what can you guys possibly expect? So let's see your energy first. What are my Libras going through? What are my Libras going through? One card for that, please. Right now, many of you guys are finally wanting to let go of a situation that you guys are holding on to. Okay, Four of Pentacles is in the reverse. You no longer are wanting to hold on to something that you are unsure about. Okay, bottom card we see is Ten of Cups. Top card we see is Judgment. So in the past, you were very much looking forward to get married with this person or possibly end up with this person. But right now, you're taking a very practical approach. With Judgment card, you're wanting to learn the lessons and all that this connection has made you go through, rather than wait and possibly drain yourself more. Okay, one more card for what are Libras going through, what are Libras possibly going through. Okay. So we have just a minute, I just dropped the card. So we have Ten of Pentacles in the reverse. For some of you, you may feel that this person did you wrong, like they could have given you that idea that this is moving forward towards a committed relationship, and it never did. Okay, for some of you, there is a lack of stability in your family life or financial life. Take however it resonates. Bottom card is King of Cups. Top card we have here is Seven of Cups. So in the past, this person was very much holding back their emotions, was also acting extremely manipulative. Okay, top card we have is Seven of Cups. Right now they are confused. When you are dealing with a confused soul, you should give them space. Do not chase them. If someone has bailed on you or let go of you, that doesn't mean you chase them in order for them to stay. If you're chasing someone who's already wanting to stay away or leave you, chances are you're just going to prolong the process. Okay, there's nothing coming out of it. If you have to chase someone to make them stay, that is not even a connection. Okay, I hope you try to understand this, and I hope you're not like one of those 21-year-old weirdos who think that love is something that you should chase and something that you should sell yourself in order to keep someone holding on to you. I hope if you're one of those, then you please unsubscribe me. Okay, so yeah, like one more card for what else is happening in Libra's life currently. What else is happening right now with the Hermit card? You're taking the time away to possibly find yourself again, possibly find balance, possibly find the truth that what is really happening with you. You're also taking the time to heal yourself. If someone has made you go through all this BS, then you're possibly trying to process that, at the same time trying to heal yourself, trying to regain your energy. Okay. Bottom card we have Seven of Pentacles, which tells me that in the past you were very much waiting on to them, like holding on to them, waiting on them for to return back to you. Currently with Six of Wands, I still feel like regardless if they are returning to you or not, I see you getting a lot of attention this coming week. Okay, maybe not from them, but from other people. Okay, if you're not open, that's your problem. Like one more card for what's the Libra soulmate up to? What's the Libra soulmate up to? Your soulmate is acting detached. They are very much having their sword upright. If you could have possibly tried to reconnect with them, they could have replied or reacted in a very harsh manner, or could have not replied back. This person is acting extremely detached. Okay. Top card we have Queen of Pentacles. Okay, two court card in one energy read. So I do believe that this person, whoever you're thinking of right now, he or she is very much thinking about you, but at the same time not wanting to open up. Okay, I'll give one more card. What else is happening in their life currently that you should know about? What is happening in their life? Libra soulmate, what is happening in their life? Okay, we have Page of Cups. We have Three of Wands in the reverse. Bottom. Okay. To be very honest, I feel for some of you that your person is definitely getting attention from someone. Okay, younger or older doesn't matter, but I do feel someone is definitely trying to connect with them. Okay, so like what else should Libra be knowing about this person? What else should Libra be knowing about this person? What is happening in their life? With Two of Wands, right now this person is very much at crossroads. They have not yet decided what they want. Okay, if someone is in that state, again, let them be where they are. Okay, don't try to prove anything or don't try to do anything that kind of makes you feel more, like a better option or something. If they see you as just an option, that is also a problem, right? I feel this person needs more time to think, and with Two of Wands, they are basically at crossroads thinking what they should do. Okay, top card we have here is Ace of Swords. They are basically trying to get more clarity about life. One more card is to how are they thinking about you now? How are they possibly thinking about you now? Okay, we have the King and the Queen of Swords. This person is possibly trying to think extremely practical and logical about the situation. I don't see this person wanting to get bit emotional about you. Okay, this person is wanting to act extremely detached. They are wanting to act that. It's not like they are acting detached. They are very much intentionally wanting to not let their emotions, possibly ruin this for them. Okay, they are not wanting to feel their emotions. Okay, right now in the past, I see them very focused on their finances, very extremely focused on their financial life. Right now with Three of Swords, they are heartbroken without you, but at the same time they are not wanting to give a fuck about it. Not wanting to. I'm not saying that they are not wanting to. Okay, one more card for their energy towards you. What's their energy like towards you moving forward? Okay. What's their energy towards you? I still feel, regardless if this person is away from you, towards you, or possibly blocking you, I still feel they very much think about you. Okay, with Queen of Cups, this person still has feelings for you, regardless if they are showing it, not showing it, blocking it, I do not care, but they do have feelings for you. Okay, one card for how are they wanting to act on it, how are they wanting to come forward towards Libra now. Darling, this person is wanting to possibly have their walls up, guards up. This person is not wanting to take action, intentionally closing themselves off. Okay, top card we see is Ace of Cups. Even if they have feelings for you, they are very much not wanting to feel it at all. Okay, why are they doing this? Why are they doing this? One card for why is this person acting this way? Tower card. Okay, so I believe you guys have had a fallout. There was a small tower moment which happened with the two of you. Someone said something, someone did something, intentionally, unintentionally. Okay, if you did not do anything, this person is very fearful about you. Reason being, you have so much power over them. I believe this person has never been a part of a connection where they had genuine feelings. They were rather very practical about the connection. It was either attraction, or it was like the connection seems good, financially or otherwise. I mean, there is this like codependency towards this person. It was never about emotions, but this time it is, and you have some superpower over them, but they are not wanting you to have that power over them, if that makes sense to you. Right now I still feel that this person is very much feeling attached to you. Okay, Tower and the Devil. I believe even if you guys had no fight and there was this ghosting phase going on, I believe even after that they haven't been able to move on from you. They may be acting detached or ice cold, or may even have intentions to not reach out, but I still see them very much in their feelings, not being able to let go of you. They may also feel on a very like I don't know how to put in words, but they still feel that you are that person who they are attached to in a very, I won't say toxic, but in a very serious manner. Okay, and they are not being able to let you go. Okay, give one more card for what are their intentions now, action, and what action you can expect from them now in terms of intentions. What are they wanting to do about this? Okay, in terms of intentions, we have Page of Pentacles in the reverse. So this person is very much wanting to hold back. They are not wanting to give in. Okay, in terms of action, let's see what are they wanting to do about this now. In terms of action, what are they wanting to do about this now? Yeah, they are blocking communication, darling. Some of you might also have got blocked or could get blocked. Don't take this negatively. I'm here to just tell you what will happen. Okay, doesn't mean you'll get blocked for life. I mean, this person is very much trying to block in communication. Okay, so my job is to tell you the truth, or whatever I say, truth or not. Okay, so right now, even if this person is around you, I still see them not wanting to reach out. This person might also trigger you to a point that you block them. Okay, so trust me on this. This person will do something possibly to trigger you, so that you possibly try to stay away, push them away, or do something that gets you away from them. Okay, give me one more card in terms of what you can expect from this person now. What can you possibly expect from this person? With the Temperance card, regardless of what is happening, darling, just stay patient. Okay, I do not see this going anywhere. Even if they are acting this way, let them. You just find your peace. Okay, let them figure out their shit. Okay, with Temperance card, no matter what happens, this is coming back. Okay, so give one more card. In terms of their feelings, how do they truly feel for you? In terms of their feelings, how do they truly feel for you now? In terms of their feelings, they still know that you are that real deal. Like, you were that person for them. You know, you are the one for them. But if they are not wanting to face that, darling, that is not your problem. If this person is not willing to accept what has been given to them, then that's their problem. You're not doing anything wrong. You have been very honest about this, right? You have done your level best to possibly hold on, given everything, try to fix it, everything possibly that you could do to hold on to the connection, or make the connection stay, but that has not worked. Okay, reason being, your person has been acting like a I don't know what to call that. Yeah, I really do not want to say something wrong, but they've literally closed off their eyes to this real offer. That's their loss, not yours. Okay, so one card for how do they feel when they are, like, you are not around? How do they truly feel for you currently in terms of their true feelings, passion? How do they truly feel? With Seven of Wands, even if they have feelings, they are possibly wanting to block that. Okay, they are literally creating or maintaining a distance between the two of you. They are missing you. Don't get me wrong, but they are also not wanting to face it. Okay, one more card for how do they view you now? How do they truly view you now? Even they feel you are acting detached, or you are trying to stay away, or emotionally some of them might also feel like you are trying to move on. Okay, with the Hierophant card, they know that right now you're very focused on your personal life. If it's about your business, if it's about your family, if it's about your education, doesn't matter. Right now they feel you're very focused on your personal life, and you're not going to do anything that is going to possibly hinder your growth in terms of financial growth or career or whatever that you're doing. Okay, one more card. For how do they view the connection they share with you now? How do they truly view the connection they share with you now? How do they view the connection with the Nine of Swords? They are very restless. They know that this is at the very tip of the this is almost at a point where it could either go left or it could go right. If they take a wrong step, this is over for good. If they take a step forward, they'll have to possibly explain themselves, and they are not ready to explain themselves. Trust me when I say this, your person is getting attention from someone. Could be someone younger, doesn't have to be, but yes, they are getting attention. The reason why they are not approaching you is because they are using that to possibly stay away from you. It's not like they have feelings for them. It's just that sometimes we use that defense mechanism, right? We use that distraction, right? Where we just talk to someone for the sake of it. So that we don't have to think about someone else. Okay, there's this word for that relationship, I forgot. Rebound, I believe, right? Okay, with Three of Cups in the reverse, they know that this connection is possibly at its breaking point. Okay, top card, we see the Moon card here. So they are very fearful about this, but at the same time not wanting to do shit about it. Okay, so what's really blocking them? What's currently blocking them? What's the major blockage? Okay, card just flew off. What's really blocking them is this person is not willing to take any action towards you right now. Okay, with the Star card, currently this person is extremely focused on themselves. They could be also using this time to heal. At the same time, they are very focused on their career. Okay, top card, yeah. One more card. What's really blocking the connection? They might also feel like this is not the right time for them to reach out. Okay, I also feel that your person is right now possibly trying to give their attention to someone else. Could be not for everyone, but this is also a possibility that your person could be giving their attention to someone else, and that has kind of got in the way. Okay, because we see justice in the reverse, so they are doing something wrong majorly, and with the Seven of Cups there's definitely some confusion going on, and right now they do not wish to take action. Okay, so one card for where it's going for now, where this connection is going for now. For now, I still feel like with Three of Pentacles in the reverse, Chariot card, I still feel like you are not ready to put in that serious effort. They as well are wanting to hold back. So for now, this connection is going to stay where it is. Okay, messed up, not getting to a point of a solid outcome coming from it. There is no outcome coming from it as of now, but that doesn't mean it's breaking off. But trust me when I say this, if you say something wrong, they are going to use that opportunity to block you. You do not want that, right? So my honest advice to you is stay away. Okay, one card. So where this is going for now, where this is going for now. Yes, for now, this stays stuck. For now, this stays stuck. For some of you, for selected few of you, there could be a possibility that this person blocks you for a small time, like for a small limited time. Okay, there could be a small breakup that comes up. Okay, I'd like to be honest. Okay, long term, where do we possibly see this going? Long term, where do we possibly see this going? Long term, I feel that for many of you, with Eight of Pentacles, I believe in the future, that is the coming weeks, you're going to be very focused on yourself. You're not going to give in so much attention to this connection. Okay, it is not breaking off completely for life, but for a small period, I do see a small breakup coming in or a shakeup coming in. But the connection is very toxic right now. I would suggest or advise you to not give in. Okay, it is not the right time. Do not get hurt, darling. I care for you more than this person does. Trust me on that. And more than any other reader does. Okay, with the Emperor card right now, it is time for you to control yourself, to possibly stay focused on yourself. Try just staying where you are. Try being in your power and know that you are the king. Okay, you are not someone who should chase the other person, king or queen, whatever it is. Okay, you should possibly stay where you are. If this person wants you, they'll approach you. You have done nothing wrong for you to bloody chase them. Okay, one more card. For what do they want from you currently? What do they want from you currently? Judgment in the reverse. Sorry, Judgment in the reverse, and Two of Pentacles, which tells me that right now this person isn't ready to give you a second shot, or possibly give you give this relationship another chance. They are not sure about it. Okay, with Four of Swords, they want some time apart. They possibly want a break. Okay, right now this person just wants to stay focused on themselves. That is act emotionally detached. Okay, so let's see their messages towards you now. What this person is going to say to you now. Libra soulmate. I daydream about us a lot. Okay, I want to make things right. My actions say otherwise, but I still, what is it? But I still care about you. Last card. Currently, I can only offer you sexually. Okay, so currently this person is not very much willing to offer you anything committed. Okay, so if you're one of my subscribers who can connect with my reading, then I believe right now is not the time for you to chase this person. It's only going to make things worse. So just stay away. Okay, I'm not the ones who just post readings to make money here. I post them so that it helps you in some which way. Okay, I hope you understand that. And for all those who are on Instagram, please come and follow me on Libra Vibes only. I'd want to post some bonus readings. They might also want to give away free readings, like once or twice a month, but there's going to be a certain thing for that. And I'd also want to give away love messages. I mean, that's a small reading what a person will want to say to you, regarded you're following me, you're liking my posts regularly. And there's going to be a small contest. Based on that, I'd be choosing 1 or 2 winners a month to give away free readings. Okay, so please follow that. And yeah, thank you so much for coming in. Please do like the video if it resonates, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and please support the channel, darling. Your support means a lot and it goes a long way. Okay, for all those who wish to get a personal reading done, please either go to my website or message me on my email. Okay, and yeah, I'd get back to you. For all those who have already booked, I'm trying to work on the on the readings, and you'd be getting it within the next 3 to 5 days. Okay, thank you so much and see you soon, guys. Cheers.